Hi, I'm ASHIMOLOWO. Welcome to the Money Master Class, where we teach you to make, manage, and multiply money. In today's session, I'd like to encourage you and challenge you, sharing with you 10 ways the rich manage their day. 10 ways the rich manage their day. This is a very important subject. Don't go away. Make sure you subscribe, like, press the like button, share the platform, let others know about the Money Masterclass. So if people can stop complaining and start getting enriched with the teaching from this platform. You see, if you cannot manage a day, how will you manage a week? And if you can't manage a week, how will you manage a month, a year, or a lifetime? It is very important for us to realize it is the days that make up the week, and the weeks that make up the months make the years make the lifetime. Everything we do is a result of habits. You cannot wake up one day and just be wealthy. The way you live, the habits you form, crystallize to help shape the way your life ends, and if you are able to create wealth. So let's start. Number one, the rich are motivated daily. They wake up motivated. Some people wake up demotivated, but the rich, they wake up motivated. Poor people never prepare for the day. They just wake up and they just go on, and they live a fire brigade life. The fire department, in my opinion, I'm not a fireman, never does anything until there is a crisis, a fire, some problem, some old mother whose cat is on a tree and can't come down, and they need to help her rescue it. But the rich, they take steps. They do things. The rich read motivational books. They listen to audio books. They focus on positive activities that will lead them in the direction of making their life effective and in the creation of wealth. Number two, they set goals every day. Majority of rich people set goals for themselves. And we're talking of get rich goals, not just any goal. You can set a goal that you want to wake up, but get rich goals. People who set goals achieve more because they know where they are going and they focus on the important part of their goals. In other words, they can say, I want to do 100 things, then they select the 10 best, then they put a hashtag beside the 3 most important, the things that lead them in the direction of the challenges they face and the goals they have that will result in wealth creation. Number 3, they focus on few things. If you want to go far, focus on few things. Rolling stones gather no moss. But those who are going somewhere, they take little things, maximize, put all their effort until the thing breaks forth for them. They may not be specialists in other areas. No one had ever asked Bill Gates why he only focuses on software. He doesn't produce cars. He's not into automobile engineering. It's not his strength. Focused. And because he had found his focus, he every day comes up with concepts, ideas that make things work in his chosen field. Number 4, rich people are open to lifelong education and self-improvement. How does this happen? Curiosity. One of the characteristics of creative people is curiosity. They don't take things because we said 2 plus 2 is 4. They want to know what makes 2 plus 2 to be 4. They are curious. They ask questions. They question the regular. They question the way things are. They say, why are things the way they are? They investigate until they find what the truth is. Galileo, Copernicus, these are astronomers who decided to, by the studying of the stars and using astronomical equipment which they invented, came to a conclusion that our Earth is not just a flat place, it's a round ball. In fact, people resisted them until time proved them right. Same thing. If you are going to create wealth, you've got to go beyond the degrees you have and learn new things. If you've never used a computer before, use one. If you don't know how to use certain softwares, use it. If there's a new knowledge in the area of your chosen field, pursue it. If you have to go to a business school, I mean, at no time on this planet has information been so available, either on the phone in your hand by way of Google or the iPad you carry. But even beyond that, people who create wealth can take the time, go for 1 week to an advanced seminar on how to enhance their knowledge in their chosen field. This is what wealthy people do. Wealthy people will pay what some people pay for 4 years or for 1 year of education in a high institution. They'll pay it for 1 week. They invest in their mind. If they hear of a seminar while others are screaming it's expensive, and the same people who scream about how expensive it is will spend the cost of that seminar to buy some shoe which they want to show their friends. But a wealthy man will spend the money to enrich his mind so that one day, instead of buying the shoe, he bought the factory. That is how to create wealth. Number 5, rich people say no. The rich say no to many interesting things. Daily discipline is a characteristic of the rich. They say no to things that don't add value. They wouldn't go sit down in some pictures, some cinemas, because everybody goes there. The first thing the rich person is doing is calculating how many hours it is going to take to do that. And they would rather watch it on Netflix in their home in their own time. The rich are very clear about what they want. They say no. No to people who want to come and waste their time. No to a person who say, are you home? I just want to come and chill out. Wealthy people would only do that chilling and be learning something in the chilling, instead of just spending time about nothing. And it's amazing. People do not realize that if they give you time and money, you should take time, because time can be multiplied and applied well, and then it can bring value to you. But many poor people don't know how to manage their time, and since they cannot manage a few hours, they can't manage a day. And if they can't manage a day, a week is lost. And they say, oh, well, there's another tomorrow. Well, today is the tomorrow you spoke about yesterday. You've got to realize you want to handle wealth, you need to learn how to say no. Number 6, they do the hard things first. First thing in the morning, tackle tough things early in the morning. Sitting down, writing goals. This is what I want to achieve. This is a dream I want to do. I want to achieve. Packing so much into the early hours of the day. Writing out the dreams, the vision. Making all the most important calls. Because once the day blows open, distractions, no matter how strong, wealthy, and determined you are, there are enough distractions in each day. But when a wealthy man operates, he knows how to pack into his early hours the right things to do. Go and check out, from the Richard Bransons to the Elon Musks to the Warren Buffetts to the Bill Gates. Many of these people are early morning people. They realize that when the day is serene and there is less disturbance, you can create so much, you can achieve so much, you can write your goals, you can clearly define what you want to achieve. In fact, it's more like you are listening to yourself. There is a soliloquizing. And if you are a person who is born again, who follows God, you are able also to have a time of meditation and take the time to pray and write out your dream.